Hello guys, welcome on my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create Windows Form application using Visual Studio. So before we going to start, if you're new on my channel, just hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. If you like my video, just hit the like button. If you not yet used a Visual Studio, you can go and watch my previous video. I'll give you link in the description box so you can easily understand how to use Visual Studio. So let's get started guys. So first of all, open your Visual Studio. This is our start page. You have to click on this file button. Then in that file button you have to choose new button, and in that you have to select the project option. Simply click on the project option, and in that option you go in the Visual C# option. In that click on the Windows desktop option. In that Windows option you can see the multiple options are shown here. In that option you have to click on the Windows Form app. We are creating with .NET framework, so I am choose the .NET framework. So put here name, your application name. I am creating a library management system. Put the name here, and wherever you want to store the project, just select the location. Then if you want to change your solution name, you can change the solution name, and also a .NET framework you can choose any. In that I am choosing the latest one, which is 4.6.1, which is installed in my system. So I am click on the OK button. The project will be successfully created. You can see on the right side the project structure will be successfully created. In that simply one form will be added and one more C# file will be added with the default structure, and the configuration file, which is app.config, will be added here. On the top you can see the solution name, and in that our project will be created. So this is our default form. So we have to add some elements in the forms, means controls. So I am creating the login form here. So I am adding a one label. Just drag and drop, and you have to change the label name. You can see the properties option in the bottom, and also you can right click on the option and choose the properties menu. So I am go here and I am changing the label one to the username. Just drag down and you select the text. Just remove and type here username. Then we have to add one more label, which is password. So just simply drag and drop here, and again change the name. Password. Then we have to add two text boxes. So you can choose this text box option and just simply put here, and if you want to large this, you can large with the handle. And we want one more text box, so I am adding this. So we want one button. Change the text from here, which is login, and click on here. You can see here our form will be successfully created. We want to build and run this application, so simply click on this start button. you can see you have to click on the start button. So you can see here our form will be successfully run. Put here name. Our channel name was Technokatta, and put here password, whatever you want. So you can see here our text will be appear in the text box. We want to hide this field, so we want to change the text box properties. So go in the properties option and just drag down, and you have to change here in password cat. We want a star, so just put here whichever character you want. So I am putting here star, and just save all, and again run. Again put here our form will be successfully executed. So enter here username Technokatta, and then enter the password. You can see here our format will be changed successfully, and you have to add some background code for successfully running this application. So this is all about how to use forms, and we want to add one more form, which is registration. Just simply right click on the project file and click on the add button, and just click on the new item. You can see here one window will be appeared. In that, click on the Windows form and just put here name, registration, and just click on the add button. You can see here our registration form will be successfully created, and in that Solution Explorer you can see here registration.cs file will be added. You have to select whichever controls you want here. Just simply drag and drop and change properties and save this application and run successfully. So this is all about how to create a Windows form application in Visual Studio. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button and also share this video. So thank you guys for watching this video.